What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about a little Crossfire Pro maintenance. So we're getting ready for a show, which means I'm cutting a lot of signs and stuff out on the table. Table's behind me. As you can see, it gets dirty. So I'm going to show you what I do to clean it. And this is just what I do. I don't know what everybody else does. I read the book pretty thorough that it came with. And I don't remember it specifically saying anything on what to do. But the reason I do this is I will hear the bearings start to get kind of crummy from the debris and stuff. So first thing I do, get WD-40 all over the camera. Is I just douse it down. I go ahead and I just do everything. It's super bad today. Like I said, I've been cutting a lot, and I'm sure this is a terrible video quality. Sometimes, if I can remember, then I just take paper towel. You're getting recorded on my phone, so video quality is extra bad. But then, just give it a wipey, scrubby wipe, okay? See all that comes off? We don't need that getting in the bearings. Now, there's probably a few of you that are thinking, because you're going to have a WD-40 film kind of left on there. And you're absolutely right. And you don't really want a WD-40 film on there. Like, I wipe my finger over it and I can feel there's WD-40 on it. You don't really want that because your bearings are just meant to ride over this. And you don't want them getting loose. So I just keep going over it until I have about all the WD-40 off. And you're not going to get all of it off, but you're going to get a lot of it. Boy, this thing's dirty. I've been cutting on it pretty heavy for a couple weeks. So, but you can see the difference. Like that, I would consider good. This is what it was like. So, yeah. You can definitely tell the difference. You don't need all that crud getting in your bearings. You know, these aren't the most expensive machines out there, but the way I see it, you can, if you can't do good maintenance on cheap equipment, you can't do good maintenance on expensive equipment. So I'm sure you guys are loving the video quality of this. Should have just got the GoPro. I will for the next video. But yeah, if you can't take care of the cheap stuff you got, odds are you're probably not going to take care of the expensive stuff you got. So take care of your stuff. Simple as that. So now, actually I don't want them cords in the way. Just going to jog our guy over. You can see crud from the bearings coming off. And you can see where the bearings roll on. I don't really know if you're supposed to be able to see it or not, but you can. And I'm just going to show you guys this axis. Master loud over here. So, alright, so now that I got it done, you guys can hear that's nice and quiet. Over here, the side rails, they're not nice and quiet. So I'm gonna wipe them up. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on how I do it. I try to do it, I might take a rag and wipe it down either every night or before I start it up, but like I said, we've been getting ready for a show. So I've been cutting a lot, like got these signs, this, there's my scrap pile of sheets I've been cutting, and then all of this, plus some more stuff I've already got wrapped up. We've been cutting a lot. Yeah, just today, and it's like, it's probably about noon, maybe it's 12:30. I've got 2 hours of cut time on this, and so this thing's been running pretty much nonstop. I actually really like these days because I can let this thing run in the corner and I just keep an eye on it, look at it every couple seconds, and I can start cleaning and organizing. You guys know me, I'm not a very clean guy out here in the shop, but that's a nice thing to do. But yeah, so take care of your machines if you have these. If you have any of them that are kind of like this, blow them off, wipe them down. Just take care of your stuff. I do that with my welders too. At least once a month, I'll open them up, blow all the dirt and crud out of there, just to kind of keep them clean. Anything that has moving parts, you don't want to keep dirt and grinding dust in there. And being a welding shop, especially one this small, it's a challenge to do, but it is what it is. So anyways, if you have one of these machines and you're kind of curious, that's what I do. So I think that's it for now. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.